Oh, can I be of any assistance? One things down, maybe take those around for you?
Yeah, you can get out of the way.
What's up, babe? Looking a little bit lost.
Yeah, I just miss Hemi. Do you know when he'll be here?
I think he's still at the hospital. Hold this while I go.
Is this the line from Whare Pako?
Oh, yeah. Would you like me to hold your bag? Kia ora.
Aw, that looks nice.
Oh, yeah, I've got a bowl of hot water that runs at a constant 24 degrees Celsius, a couple of microwave towels, soap and a rope, and a couple of chairs so you can pop a squat out here before you pop a squat in there, and I'll hold your bag. Kia ora.
All you need now is a mirror.
Oof, and an air freshener. BRB.